The co-founder of the Committee on Sustainability Assessment, one of the leading specialists of sustainable development, Daniele Giovannucci.
There's an old saying that you cannot manage what you cannot measure. And it's one of our mottos with COSA, with the Committee on Sustainability Assessment, that we need to really understand what is working and what isn't, and we need to have producers be partners in that process so they can select the best outcome for themselves. The Committee on Sustainability Assessment is actually a global consortium of institutions that include UN agencies, the International Institute for Sustainable Development, and many other leaders that have a distinct interest in having developed a very innovative process and are applying this process of measuring sustainability. It may surprise many of you to know that we don't know all that much about the actual impacts of sustainability. So these metrics enable us to look at not just the economic, but also the social and the environmental aspects or the impacts of these kinds of production and trade. So fair trade, bio, Rainforest Alliance, the many standards that exist, we now have a way of actually understanding them. So that's part of it. And how we operate is very simple. We actually work with developing country institutions. So we build capacity at the local level for them to be able to do these measures, and we feed into a global database. With this database, policymakers, producers, and even consumers will for the first time be able to see and understand what is actually happening, what is sustainable, and what maybe is less so. We don't have one answer that fits everywhere. The situation will be quite different in parts of Africa than it would be in parts of Asia. So it requires more study and more work so that we can be effective in our investments in sustainability.